Hi, to see notifications content on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we need to go in the settings and here select notifications tab. After that, simply go in the lock screen notifications and you will find these two options. You can either hide content or show content. And also you can check the settings icon near this tab, which we can tap, and here if you want a notification content to be shown only from certain apps, tap the app selection and select the apps you are interested in. For example, you can disable notifications shown from the Contacts app or reverse enable by tapping on the switcher. And to save the changes, simply go back using this arrow. And now you can see this show content when unlocked. So if your phone is set to stay on the lock screen when you unlock using facial recognition, notification content will appear when your face is recognized. You can either enable it or disable. And the last feature, notifications do show. Here we have two options, alert and silent notifications or alerts only. Just choose which one suits you the best and don't forget to enable lock screen notifications at all. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.